Hello my dear friends, today I am sharing my favorite pastry recipe. I always keep kefir in the fridge because it is quick to make and tastes fantastic. This is a very reliable recipe, tested countless times. I highly recommend it. In each region this pastry has its own name. Here we call it soft kvorost. Let's start. Pour 1.5 cups of kefir into a bowl, that's 300 milliliters. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 egg. For aroma, you can add vanilla sugar. Mix everything well. Now gradually add about 3 cups of flour, which is around 400 to 450 grams. Add flour in parts. Check dough consistency. Need a soft elastic dough. It should be slightly sticky to the hands. Don't overload it with flour. Sprinkle a light layer of flour over the dough and your work surface, then shape the dough into a ball. Cover it with a plate or plastic wrap and let it rest for 20 minutes. After resting, begin making the kvorost by rolling the dough out to approximately 3 to 4 millimeters thick. Slice the dough into long strips, then cut each strip into small rectangles. Make a lengthwise cut in each rectangle and gently twist the dough through the cut to create the braid. Add enough vegetable oil to a pan, then heat it thoroughly and carefully fry the kvorost over medium heat on both sides until golden brown. You'll get delicious, soft and airy kvorost. I'm curious to know what this pastry is called in your area. Please share the name in the comments below. Let's compare regional names. Subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'll be happy to see you there. Don't forget to leave a smiling emoji in the comments. It's easy for you and it makes me very happy to see your reactions. I wish you a great mood, kitchen inspiration, and of course a pleasant tea time. Cook with love and stay healthy. Bye bye.